Let's make karaage using Filipino ingredients. Let's go! Alright, so our ingredients are the following. So we have our chicken, it's already sliced into bite size. Then we have our ginger, that's joga. Here in Japan they have already this tube where you can use it already ready to use, but if you don't have this one, you just grate your ginger. And then since we we want to make it available in the Philippines, so we're using Silver Swan soy sauce and dato puti. Yes, these are my choice of condiments, Filipino products. Anyway, so what we're gonna do with our chicken is we will mix this ginger, yes, grated ginger, and then add the soy sauce and then the vinegar and marinate it for 30 minutes. But the Filipino vinegar is too strong, so we will might add water, a little water only, to dilute the acid from Philippine vinegar. Yes, but actually the original recipe, you have to use mirin. And of course Japanese soy sauce, but I want to show it to you that we can also do it in the Philippines using our very own Filipino products. Yes, let's try to make that one like ready to use grated ginger. So yeah, and by the way, after we marinate it for at least 30 minutes, we will coat it in our this is not soybean, this is a starch. I'm not sure what's the name of this starch. It could be potato starch or corn starch, so you can use either of that as long as it's starch, not flour but starch, because it makes the coating crispier. Alright, and after that we fry it, so stay tuned.
10 years later.
Alright, so tapos na tayong mag-marinate at ito ang ating chicken. Tadaan! And after that, ilagay natin siya dyan. Yan ang atiang. Why am I speaking Tagalog? Well, anyway, yeah, that's fine. So, we will put the chicken into the cornstarch and then deep fry it in our electric fryer. Yes, everything is ready. And in Japan, karaage usually put in these paper cups during Matsuri. Matsuri, by the way, is their festival, so we will try to do that, okay? So very easy, and we're using Filipino ingredients. I mean condiments, so yeah. Let's do this. Wala pala nag-record ito. Alright, so that batch of fried karaage is I dip it on the corn starch and then fry it. But this one, I tried to pour get the flour, not the flour, the starch, and put it here, massage, and let's see which one looks or tastes better. Alright, so let's check out after. Yes.
10 years later.
Alright, so here are the two finished product of our karaage. So this first karaage is chicken and then the cornstarch. It looks powdery. Yes, see that one? And it looks pale. This looks like 7-Eleven's chicken. And let's try it. That's too big, so this one, this small. I should have added more ginger. I should have poured all the ginger because it would be very tasty to have that. And I didn't put water because I thought that the acid from the dato puti would overpower our flavor, but it didn't. So you just use our dato puti or silver swan or any vinegar product, okay? But if you have mirin in, never mind how blurry my face is. So if you have mirin, then you can use it. Then we have this chicken that we fried, that when we mix the starch. Now this one has a lot of color, maybe shade of brown. It looks really fried. They're all both cooked, okay? It's just that this is powdery. This one is like you imagine a fried chicken would be, or a karaage should be. Now this looks like karaage from Lawson. Alright, now I believe the taste would be the same because I've used the same ingredients. It's just the process is different. But let's try. No. It's not This cooking style showed the flavors that I used, the soy sauce, a little bit of the taste of vinegar. I'm not a fan of Filipino vinegar. Anyway, yeah, the vinegar. And I should have put a lot of ginger. Yes, not ginger. Ginger, yes, ginger. And it brings out the marinade that I used, the flavors. This is good. No, this is better. This is good. This is better. What? Wow. I just... Okay. No, not this one. This one. But, there's a but. But this is not crispy. This is crispier. Either of the way that you want it tastes good. Hands down, hands up. Oishi. Rice, please. Thank you for finishing the video, and if you want more videos from this channel, please do subscribe and hit that bell and everything, dang 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 dang. And if you're not yet part of the small fam that I'm trying to make, join the button. Yes, and videos, but other interesting videos over there. Thank you so much, and see you to our next video.